headlights look pretty good from there, but what's your opinion?
They look beautiful in my opinion. These headlights, the worst mod you can put on the car.
And this is your second pair, correct?
Second set, because the first set took a shit.
As you can see in the clips I just got, driving on the back roads at night, it's extremely dark and dangerous. Very dangerous.
You can't see anything.
And they face down. We tried to face them up.
There's adjustments you can raise them. I've tried that because they were pointing at the ground more. Raise them up and like that's the max.
So yeah,
stock ones are going back on.
You can't drive at night. It's not safe. You literally can't see. You could maybe see 30 feet in front of you. That's about it. So worst mod you could do for your EVO X. I wanted to make this very quick video. This is probably going to be like a 2-3 minute video. I'm going to post it like whenever, just for an extra video for the fellow EVO owners, because I know there's a lot of people that watch the channel seeing this car. These headlights are trash. And whoever, what's the name of these? I don't even know. VLand. If you're watching this,
hold on. If anybody has these and made them work great, let me know.
Yeah, please comment or message EVO X Tyler how you made them or what bulb or whatever, because the second set, trash. We angled them all the way up. It looks great on video. The DRLs are bright, but that does nothing on the road. The actual projector, trash. So yeah, comment down below if yours are good, because Tyler had 2 sets and they're both trash. So that's a quick video. VLand trash.